Okay, today we have the Turbo Timber Evolution in the yard. It's got a little breeze, just a tad. So we're ready. So here it goes. And she's off. Ooh, little windy. I think it's okay though. We'll get her under control. Woohoo! Okay, I think we can get her going here. A little fast, but woo! She's cooking today. Little breezy, but she's flying nice. Ooh, you could see the wind pushing it. Whoa, good lift there. Woohoo. Definitely don't want to crash you. Even in a little wind, it flies pretty good. It's controllable.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, the wind's like 10 miles an hour a little bit. She's getting pushed. Could see the breeze on the trees right there. The bushes. I think we could finish this flight. Ooh, look at that breeze. Pushing it everywhere. Look, 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 look. Oh! Took my slat off, which ain't too bad. Too breezy today for it. But we'll see the damage. I don't think it's probably no damage.
Timer stop.
And nothing just my slat came off, which is nothing. Just pop that puppy back on and it's fixed. No damage. This plane can take a beating too. I love it. Alright, well, that was the Turbo Timber Evolution on a windy day, but a little bit too windy. You could see it over there. All the leaves are blowing all over the place, but she flew good. It was worth it. Just glue my slat back on and then we're done. Not even any damage to it. Alright, have a nice day. See you on the next flight.